Hey guys, this is Prop Firm Analyzer and good to see you again. So we will be doing a video tutorial about Match Trader. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe if you want content like this. Anyway, I will be sharing to you guys regarding my flash funding. Well, they have running promotion code right now, which you can get a 30% off plus 110% refund using the code MATCH30. So they transition all of their MetaTrader 5 to Match Trader platform right now because of the ongoing problem of MetaTrader. So later I will be showing to you the tutorial about my flash funding using Match Trader platform. So if you want to buy the challenge, check here on the website. You can either buy two-step or one-step challenge, but make sure that check all of the details here. And also that you need to follow the objectives here like the daily loss and max trading loss. So if you want to buy a two-step challenge, 4% is the maximum daily loss and the maximum loss is 8%. The profit target is 6% for phase 1 and phase 2, which is for me very achievable. This was the lowest profit target than other prop firms. So don't forget to use the code MATCH30 at 30% off on every challenge that you have purchased here, and it is only a limited time. So I have bought an account in my flash funding and will use this on my trading, so I'm hoping that they will also release C-Trader soon. So yeah, anyway guys, this challenge is only for my strategy tester, but I have a main challenge account and I will be showing to you in my next video. So the tutorial here in Match Trader is very simple. Follow my steps and explore the app. So what you see here is the chart and of course the time frame here, which you can choose. It's either a lower time for much higher time frame for your trading analysis. So during weekend the market was closed right now, but I will be showing to you other pairs to trade, which is cryptocurrency. Crypto was open in the weekend, so on this option you can search your pair. I have Bitcoin and added on the chart, so make sure that all of your preferred pairs was marked as favorite. That would be added in your watch list, so if you don't trade other pairs, you can disable this favorite here and it is much easier for you on pair that you used to trade. Anyway, so I have this option here. I have the pound, Bitcoin, and gold. If you want to add more, you just only search your preferred pair that you want and make sure that you added that option in your favorites here. Anyway, let's go in the chart here, guys. So if you want to make analysis about this trade, all you need to do is click this option here, which is drawing tool, where you can draw your chart. You may use trend line or vertical line and others. Example, if you want to trade trend line, you can use this tool on your chart. You want to trade here in your Match Trader, just use the option here for market execution. So click buy or sell option here and it will be executed in your trading account. So by changing the stop loss and take profit, all you need to do, guys, is click the stop loss option here, drag your stop loss to the price that you want. Then after that, same with your take profit. Anyway, so my trade has already been executed and I will wait also to tap on my take profit. So by closing the trade, it's very easy. Just click this option here. You can close or you can take partial by inputting your preferred size that you want to close. Then after taking partial, you can move your stop loss to break even. Then if you want to close the trade, you can close it manually. So the other option here, guys, is the pending order. Just go here in new order and go to pending order. You will see all of these details here. Make sure to enable the stop loss and take profit so that you don't have any problem when you're executing trades. Input your stop loss price and also input your take profit price here. Example, I will make pending order execution here. And if your trades got triggered, you can still be able to move your stop loss and take profit. Just monitor your chart if you want. Okay, so if you have any pending orders like buy limit, buy stop, or sell limit or sell stop, you can go here in pending orders and you will see all of the orders that you have made. You will also see here the close position or even history of your trades taken. So yeah, so let's go in the calendar here, guys, and you will see here in the calendar that you can choose your preferred news folders. For example, you only want a medium and high impact news. You can enable here. and the currency would be only USD. You can also add other currency here like euro or pound. And you can filter for today, or you can filter on the day that you want. You will see all of this information here about the news that will be coming next week. Just stay tuned for the red folder news, which is high impact for currency and metals. Don't risk too much of your account. So yeah, I think that would be cover of our Match Trader tutorial, and it is very easy for you to be able to adjust in this new platform since it is not complicated to understand. So if you have any question, don't forget to comment down below in your thoughts about this new platform regarding the migration from MT5 to Match Trader. And also don't hesitate to contact their support on their website if you have any questions about them. So I think that's all for the review. Please don't forget to leave a thumbs up in my video. Also comment your thoughts and click the bell notification. Anyways, don't forget guys to use a discount code for 30% off that they're running right now. So that's all guys, and thank you again for supporting my channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.